got a crown that I wanna make you mine. I tried to.
Alright, so today I'm gonna introduce myself because it's actually been a while since I've been on here. So my name is Autumn Bree, and how you doing? So me personally, if you know me, and you're here again, give it a thumbs up. You OG subscriber, thank you so much for giving me the support and still being subscribed to me after it seemed like years I have posted. It seemed like maybe months, but at the same time I am back and I'm better and I'm coming at you with full energy. I'm not missing a beat this time, I promise you. Vlogs, events are coming soon, so please stay subscribed and stay tuned with me. Today what I'm going to be talking about here, fragrances. So I didn't even think about it, but I bought this one back maybe in January, the end of January, and now it's March. It's about to be spring. Spring is like literally right around the corner. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it with the fragrances, and everything is gonna be in the description box down below. And I'm gonna label the notes and all that, and there's some oodum gluten root all over here. So yeah, stay tuned. And mind you, I just got these out the mailbox. Just did. Started my cheapest. It's once again I never took these out the box, and still got the wrapping on it, everything. These are new to me. Virgin nose here, okay? So this is Lattafa, Ajayeb Dubai by Lattafa. It's portrait, sorry. The white box, it's the woman's, and I heard this right here was I'm kind of awkward, so please stick with me. I'm like, let me start that over. So starting with the cheapest, this right here, I got the $15 off of Amazon, and I'm surprised it was quite cheap because last time I saw it, it was like maybe $20 or something like that. But this is called Ajayeb by Lattafa, Ajayeb Portrait, Dubai Portrait by Lattafa, excuse me. And this is the white version. Now I have heard opinions about this actually smells like mango kiss or mango skin. I love me a good mango fragrance. I had one, but I think somebody stole it. So we're gonna place this one, okay? And a lot of people say they did not like the bottle, but honey, I'm sorry. That looked like some art. It looks like art. It looks like a niche fragrance, literally, that you'll get. Like, so there's gonna be paper everywhere. I'm in my bathroom actually. So this is what you see. No fakeness here. This is actually pretty. It's textured and all that. Then so let's get inside. Ooh. I smell mango, but then I smell like, as soon as I open up the box. Okay, hold on. Okay, I hope I like this. I hope I do. If not, that's okay. A lot of people say let it macerate over time, but yeah. So this is my first time ever. This is so pretty. It's heavy. First of all, I'm putting it on my toilet actually. The presentation is there. People say they hate the bottle, but this looks so aesthetic. This looks aesthetically pleasing. The bottle is just giving orange, mango vibes, tropical vibes. Like, this look like a type of fragrance that you go out with your girls with. You got your braids done. You got these golden bangles, and it's nice summer dress and stuff like that, and nice big, I don't know, but you get what I'm saying. Like, the vibe is there. Summer, maybe in Puerto Rico, I don't know. Maybe it's golden piss to y'all, but this is actually pretty to me. Actually, just Lattafa, y'all be doing it, bro. Y'all be really studying. Dang, that sample was secured. I don't got no test strips. I don't have any test strips. Wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray on the box, okay? Just for now. Atomizer good. That's strong, strong. You can smell the oud, rude, and rude. If you know what I'm talking about, you know. I'm sorry. That's wow. Just to get a good. Oh y'all. For some, okay, I see. Okay, so it's so many reviews I have seen about this. It's actually a nice size bottle, actually. It's okay. I see both sides of the story. Okay, people that actually don't know a good niche fragrance, you're not gonna understand this type of profile. You want that when you say, and people, you know, when you hear people say juicy, watery mango, they're thinking of like this synthetic-y type of mango. It's not that at all. So please don't think like it just smells like fresh bubblegummy mango. Like, just don't, like, please. This is a juicy mango, but it's not to everybody, if that makes sense. But then I also see, whew, this is that type of thing. Okay, let me not hype. Let me process this real quick. Okay, now that I'm calm, it dried a little bit, and I'm gonna kid you not. So it's leaning more feminine, but I see it so good as a unisex. The reason why is because this oud is, I ain't gonna say it's prominent, but it's there. You get what I'm saying? Now the party is the oud and the vanilla resin and the mango. That mango gives it this roundness. It's not a scratchy itch. It's not a scratchy, complete stanky oud. Like, it's like this. It rounds it out. Okay, you have to smell yourself. You have to, because oud is it's a very, very strong note, and I do see this actually lasting me for like 12 months, 12 hours. I really, really do, man. Like, it's so freaking good. So yes, you do have that juicy pineapple. Now, it's a pineapple note somewhere. It's not even the notes. It's mango, it's orange, it's lemon, and all that blends together. It smells like it's a pineapple, and it's so good. It does. I've never smelled mango kiss before. I have smelled mango skin, so I can relate to that. That is very, very good. I do smell that fruit tropical basket. It's not a typical cheap mango. I'm gonna just say that. A lot of people hate on this fragrance, and I don't know why. That smells good. I'm sorry. Like, you can make that girly, and you can make that masculine. Like, I cannot wait to see what the black one smells like, actually, because I heard that was butterscotch and pineapple. Yeah. So I'm gonna go to the next one. Next we have Opulent White by Lattafa. And of course, verification, just in case, because the people be saying that stuff be fake. Not really, actually, but you know, I heard it was a trend on TikTok to show this off, actually. And let's go. This one is not as heavy, surprisingly. But they make sure that their presentation has a meaning and a statement. There's a little corn here. Okay. Why is it heavy? Okay, this is not, I guess because of the top. I thought this was bigger. This is so tiny. This is so tiny. I thought it was bigger. It looks big, y'all. On camera, it do. But like my hand, like, okay, ooh, I'm kind of scared because I heard it's a dupe for Baccarat 540. I'm not a real fan of, I just want a good musk. That's what I wanted. I just wanted a good clean scent, a settled scent, not too much, you know what I'm saying? Baccarat 540 smells like dentist office to me, and I'm not trying to be a hater. That's just my first reaction. So go ahead and spray. Okay. All right. That's initial spray. Hold on. It's the same notes It has that saffron in it, but lemon. The reason why I'm making this face is because it's smelling like a dentist's office. It's something about that saffron though. Okay, let me try it on skin. It's just a pretty presentation, Lattafa. Like, keep going with the artwork. I even like Confession for her. So, yeah, just keep going with the artwork. You're doing really great. Okay. Here goes nothing. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and spray. It's an alright atomizer, by the way. It's alright. Okay. I'm about like a good clean scent. Maybe it is. I do get lemons, a little saffron, but that saffron, I don't know what it is, but it's something with saffron that just smells like dentist's office for me. If it's not blended right, then okay, then a little dentist office for me when it comes to saffron fragrances. But this one, it's definitely not a 5. I see why y'all say it's a 540, but it's not a dupe. Just stop comparing fragrances at this point, just please. I didn't want a 540 fragrance, I just didn't. So, but this, it's okay. The initial spray does smell like a dentist's office, but then once it dries down, I see a lemony musk. It's not best, but at the same time, it's like, I'm gonna be real. It's like one of those fragrances like, I forgot to put on fragrance. That's it. Like, it's like one of those, oh, what? If it's not inside, it's out of mind. You know what I'm saying? Kind of fragrance. It's one of those. But if it's inside, it's like, okay, just a little something. That's it. That's how I feel about it. Like, it's not wowing. I don't know why I did this, because I actually wanted like a skin-like scent. I actually got 2 fragrances in my collection that are actually very much skin-like scents, and I guess you could call sorry, I guess you could call this a skin-like scent, but at the same time, it's just like, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna move on. I'm actually excited about the next one. I was very excited about the first one, but this next one might be okay. Now, I got this one on my birthday. And it finally came in, y'all. I'm actually excited about this one, to be honest. Like, I could not focus on my work because I was wondering when it's gonna come in. So the reason why I got this fragrance is because everything changed demeanor. I am so sorry. I've been waiting on this, y'all. I've been waiting. You see the dents? It's been gone for a long time without me. At the same time, y'all, the reason why I got this fragrance is because I seen Megan Thee Stallion. I think it was like during the pandemic or whatever. Ever since I've been in search for this fragrance, right? And so, y'all, she took like a selfie pic, like a mirror picture, but then she had her booty, you know, she was more so taking a picture of her booty. And so she had 3 fragrances, right? One I've been trying to get into that smells like candy, or I think it smells like hot lava or something. Like it's supposed to be mimicking hot lava. Another one was a clean scent. I really don't like that. Like, when I say clean, like fresh, full. Yeah. This one was spotted, and I'm like, I know exactly what that is. So I got it. Megan Thee Stallion. I'm not gonna tell any other of her brands. Y'all already, if you know, you know what she wears. But I seen this one. She is actually a niche girly. She is not no mainstream kind of girl. She wants to smell different. She knows how to smell like a hot girl. So this is Kajal. I think I said that right. I butchered that bad, but hey, we're gonna get into it. So I got this because I know I'm gonna have a good summer. In Jesus' name I am. I'm just like, I'm going to smell like a hot girl. Look at the reflection. I'm actually showing y'all that, you know, my bathroom low key. So like, I've been looking for a summer fragrances, and I actually have been wanting to look for like a clean fragrance. I actually got two. Like, I got what I wanted, don't get me wrong. It's just, yeah, I just wanted something fruity. I don't have a lot of fruits fragrances in my collection. It's more so gourmands, and I have like skin light here and there or whatever. How do you open this? Oh, okay. We actually have a sample, y'all. Wow. Okay. Lamar. This is Lamar. The presentation. Look at that. Look at that. So we're gonna go ahead and spray into it. Oh God. I'm scared. That's a raspberry right here. Okay. Y'all. And if Lamar smells good too, like, this is a decadent type of fragrance. Okay. So now that it died down, it's a fruity combination. I'm not used to it. It's very fruity, I will say. Very much leaning on the, this is a raspberry, black currant kind of deal. Very fruity. It's berry. That's what it is, berry. And the vanilla, amber, and brown sugar, you can smell. The vanilla, it dies down with all that fruitiness, and you smell with the vanilla and brown sugar. So I like this, I really do. It's really, really cute. You know, it's not too heavy, it's just right. I'm gonna just say it's just right. The presentation is lovely. This is really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and try Lamar. This is the last perfume. How about this? We're going to spray right here. Okay. So you have, I smell the rose, more so the rose, because it's a, like I said, it's a lot. It's a rose, bergamot oil, and then rose. Magnolia. I smell more so florals. It's very pretty, don't get me wrong. I just wasn't expecting it to smell like this though. But yeah, that right there is my video for today. Give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and also out of all of these, to be honest with you, I actually like Ajayeb. But yeah, give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, and I miss y'all, I really do. But thank you for supporting my videos, OGs as well as new people. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to join our family, and see you later.